Hey guys, I'm here with Morgan. We're on an adventure today. He's on with me, and I'm gonna show him how to pick pine mushroom. He's been out before, but he's gonna get like a crash course. So hopefully he's gonna be better than most. All right, guys, say hi.
Bye.
All right, well, let's see how we do.
All right. Oh, that's a young one.
Yes, take it, take it. They're not the other people that's gonna come behind us. They're not gonna leave it. We really didn't see it. Yeah, it was like barely visible.
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
That's the whitish,
Yes,
beige color.
and that's pretty small too.
Yeah, it's another. Like
But no, it's a good size. It's not bad at all. All right,
that's good. Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a T-shirt. I'm a pine sniffer. I'm
yeah,
pretty sure people are gonna buy it too.
I think so.
Good, you found out on your own. I didn't see that one. There's another one.
Oh,
There's another one, Morgan.
low.
Good, you were already low and you spot that one. See, you spot this one, but there's another one. Pressure's on. Up that way, you can see it.
Yeah, he is not.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Follow.
Oh, just barely.
Yes.
Oh my.
Yes.
Oh my. How did you? Wow. How did
Experience.
you? Wow. I mean, that was the
Yeah,
slightest.
you said it yourself, experience.
Oh, that is the slightest of seeing. Oh, that's a nice smell.
I found that one and he found this one.
That was so slight.
Subtle, yes, yes. And to be able to see that is the speed.
Yeah, because if you just zip through,
Yeah, you
there's
can
no
zip
way.
through, yeah, and you're up high and it's even harder to see. So that's why I'm taking our sweet little time today. He found that one. That's a nice one.
Oh, I pushed it. Oh,
Okay, I found another one, okay?
Oh, you did, huh?
Yeah.
My wife likes to keep the dirt out of the
Yes,
bag.
yes, yes. And there is another one. Maybe there's more on the way to looking at the other one.
Oh, it's under that tree.
Yes, yes, that's the one. But before you're there, can you spot another one?
Because you don't want to
Yeah.
squish everything.
Uh-huh. Look.
Oh, that's a bump.
Yes. That's what I'm teaching you.
Oh, so you're right. So before you
Yes.
dig, check for
Check-
the bumps.
yeah, 'cause-
Before you step on it and
Yes.
flatten it out.
Yes. As you're walking to the ones you saw, make sure that you're going slow so you can see the ones that, that's there.
Ooh,
That's a good button.
that's a really nice button.
Yeah, that's a really nice button.
Oh, what a smell.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. As we say in Korean, masketa.
Masketa.
Yep.
The Japanese matsutake.
Matsutake.
And American
a-
pine mushroom. These are all right. Because the other people will not leave this for you, okay? They will pick everything. Since we're only picking to eat, see, these are good size, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
Since we're only picking to eat, we just pick it all. Good job. Yeah, just by going slow.
Yeah. And because you're looking for that color.
Yeah,
that
you're looking for the
off-white,
color.
reddish or
Yeah,
not
and then
really brown.
if they're not visible, you're looking for that dark black moss on the top of the bump.
Oh,
Close, close.
Oh,
Oh,
jackpot.
jackpot. There's 3 of them right there. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Wow. And we're in the area. We're in the area where people scratch through. So we're still finding some. I'm still telling people you can find where people pick if you know what to look for.
Slow down.
A nice big one. Yeah, that's the biggest one today. Hopefully we'll find bigger one.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, good thing you moved that because we wouldn't be able to see that. I'm not gonna lie, I only saw that one and I would not be able to see those 2 under there.
But I have a problem.
Oh, 4 right there. I know there's probably 2 up there where I saw earlier too.
That's good.
Keep covering it back up. And see the line? You see the line? No, that's where you already put. You see the line going like that?
Yeah.
More after we saw that. After I saw
it's a
that
double.
one. Yeah. You wish your wife can join you, huh? She would have a blast too.
Because she would have got her energy back.
I can see 3. Come on, big ones. Let's go. But take our time walking there, okay? We're looking through. We're looking through as we're walking to there.
1, 2,
3, 4. I see 4. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See?
Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
These are
But
already
look.
picked, right?
But look.
Oh, you were standing right next to one.
Where? Oh, right here. I see. Okay. See? Oh my God. Pretty good amount right here.
Here's the line, huh?
Yes. See that line goes, whoop. And
Coming up really.
yeah, here, look.
Oh, look.
Oh, look, more. Look, a whole line going more. There's 2, 3 more, 4 more.
So there is something to that line.
Yeah,
thing.
look. 5 right here.
Yeah, there's something to that line.
Yeah.
thing.
Oh my God, there's a lot right here. It's probably like over 10 right here, guys. So if anybody's interested in coming out like Morgan, hit me up on my email at mushroomforagingadventures@gmail.com, guys.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
well worth it, guys.
Oh, yeah. Eating good today.
Not just today, probably a week.
Wow.
Yeah, I believe, I mean, you can buy mushroom from me, but you won't learn nothing. You won't learn how to pick it. You can eat for a few days,
Correct.
but when you come out here, you
Teach a man for life.
yeah, you feed yourself for life.
Exactly.
So I believe in that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
No, that's why I said, I get it. I get it.
See that monster over there?
I the one I can't see. Oh, man, am I glad I stepped
Yeah,
over.
you almost, you.
Would have ruined him.
Yeah. I didn't even see it either until I went down below a little bit more.
How low can you go?
Crash course.
Right here.
Oh, before there.
Oh, before there.
Maybe another one right by it. Yeah.
Oh,
See that?
yeah.
Great.
So far, right, they're just starting.
If you go fast,
No way.
you will not
No
see.
way. You
Yes.
cannot.
So 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe, and a 3 over
1,
there.
2.
Yeah, see here, this is what I'm talking about. There's 1 there, 2 there, 3 there, 4 there, right here. And it's a line. Okay, see that?
Yeah.
Let's show. You see the next one up
Right there.
and you see the next one up.
Oh,
Then you see the next one up.
right there. There's the line.
There's a line.
It's more than a coincidence.
Skill, experience,
Yes.
and hopefully, you guys come out often enough, and you're gonna acquire that skill as well. I'm not just BSing people. I mean,
No,
yeah,
and it makes sense because I have run when you're walking, you find like 2 or 3
Yeah.
stops, right?
yeah.
So you're like, okay.
So if you know how to follow it, you'll do really good.
Yeah. That's a nice one.
Yeah, that is. See, we're finding like close to 100% button right now.
Yeah, pretty much. It's
Yeah.
the beginning of the third day
Yep.
or a couple days.
Yep. No, like I told you, they've been up here for like probably close to a month. It's just that it stopped for a while when
Yeah.
it's too dry,
Yeah.
and then as soon as the rain came, it picked back up. Morgan's up top of me. I'm over here scouting here, this area, and look what we found, guys. Nice bunch. Look at that. There. Look at that. They're hiding there. So we got 2, 4, 5, 6. I got 7 here. 7 so far. Any more up here? So they took one there. Here's another one they missed here. So they took there, but here's one they missed. Any more that they missed? Oh, here's some they missed here too. So we'll dig that. Wow, this spot's pretty good right here. Yeah, Morgan's gonna be happy. Got more mushroom. And we'll dig that one here. So we'll cover all that up. Let's go pick those. Oh. Pick these right here. Okay. So we got here. Oh, these are nice. These are nice, people. Cover that. Get this guy. He's wedged. See that? Almost broke it. Oh, he's hard. Oh, look at that, guys. Almost broke him. And another one here. Okay, cover all. Let's look for some more. 2 of them, I can see it.
From my angle, I just see the one.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the second one.
No, there's more. And over, under that log over there too. See that shiny one over here? See?
Oh yeah, your angle's best.
Yeah, my. Oh, okay. Look, 3 here.
Oh my goodness, there's a lot.
There's another one here. Another one here.
So that one was the one
Yeah,
that
the one
led
we
you.
saw. Yes, exactly.
that led you to it.
Yes.
Look at that.
Having fun, right?
Ooh, loving it, loving it.
Learning a lot.
Well, the slower pace is the key.
Key, yes,
It
yes,
really is.
Yes, it is.
It really is. Just take your time
Exactly.
and check dig areas very
Yes,
closely.
very closely. Not that one, right in front of you.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
That's a old flower we saw. Well, we found a few, but not a lot of
Not a
flower.
lot of-
Yeah, but you
But
see it.
it's one of those that's been sitting down there.
Yeah.
Then the rain.
Yes.
Then
Yes.
it's probably older.
Yeah, but it's still good. It looks really good.
Oh, it's fantastic.
Yeah. Lunchtime, guys.
Also,
We got pine, chanterelles. Yeah, we're gonna have ramen, guys. Look at it, guys. We got pine, yellow chanterelles. Yeah. That's our lunch, guys. Nothing better on a cold day. Ramen with pine mushroom and yellow chanterelle. Not bad, guys. Look at that. Almost laid button. Look at that beautiful sight. Me and Morgan had a wonderful day. We picked quite a bit, probably 8-9 pounds of buttons mostly. And yeah, and he came because of Foraging for Education as well. So just by being out with me and you guys watching, you guys are doing your part. Thank you very much, Morgan.
Thank you.
And that's going to do it for the video, guys. Keep watching the video. Help support the kids in Cambodia. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.